He got killed by that cookie storm?
Yeah, he did. That's probably how he died.
Like, literally.
2,
お前はもう死んでいる。
I suggest not using
Three.
this decision ever again for a Baby Einstein remake.
Square.
Yeah, like
4,
you can see Small. Who keeps belching in the fucking fall?
With me.
Hey, Captain, when you said cheese, guess what?
5,
Oh my god, dude. How many fucking times are you gonna fucking belch in this goddamn live stream? I should be asking you the question, how many burgers did you eat? What the fuck?
I ate like 2 today.
At least mute the microphone when you're gonna do that.
Oh my god, you're gonna gross out the chat for God's sake.
It's Passion of the Burps.